This is the huge warehouse space at Ikea. After looking at all the products that are on display on the first floor, which is the showroom section, I've come downstairs to the ground floor to look at this massive space of display. Now, the name of this space is Self Serve Warehouse Area. As the name suggests, IKEA encourages its customer to look at the product, to feel the product on the first floor, and then come downstairs, purchase the product, take it home, and self assemble it. Now, as you can see here, there are giant looking racks. Now, at each level of these racks are products kept, and these products are kept in an unassembled format. Now, these products are taken home, and the customer has to self assemble it, and if not, even IKEA can assist these customers. Now, there is some more display of chairs over here. Now, the reason why IKEA does this is it's IKEA's approach towards customer involvement. Now, when a customer self assembles it, he will appreciate the energy that IKEA has invested on the design and quality of the product.